If you're not charging a couple of $1,000s to set up your AI agent for business owner, this video is going to help you. We're going to start off by this famous equation from the $100 million offer that clearly states how much you can charge someone is equivalent to their dream outcome, time perceived likelihood of achievement, divided by time delay and efforts and sacrifice. This is the exact value proposition that you're going to give to this business owner, right? So in this video, we're going to focus on the top two equations. Number one, how are you going to increase the dream outcome, aka their ROI, return on investment, with AI agents as much as possible in a sales conversation? And number two, how are you going to be increasing the likelihood of the achievement, which means the confidence and the certainty that when they install this AI agent, they're going to get to their dream outcome. So this is why it's very important that showing the AI demo in the right way will help assure their certainty and they're confident into paying you thousands and thousands of dollars, right? This is high ticket sales, and trust me guys, I've been charging people anywhere between $3,000 up to $11,000, $12,000 to set up a marketing campaign, so I know a thing or two about high ticket sales. Now, the first thing that we do with the dream outcome is to clearly identify the gap in the business. So I make a completely free video on a closing script on how to do exactly that. However, it's all lead to this question on phase 4, which asks them, Mr. Prospects, from a return on investment perspective, how much do you think this problem have cost your business in lost revenue or missed opportunity in the last 6 to 12 months, right? So this is more like a FOMO question. So in the last 6 months, when you don't have the system installed, how much money have it cost your business or lost your business in terms of money in the table? And we can link that directly with an outcome opportunity. So you can actually revert and rephrase this question saying, if we do have this system in place in the next 6 or 12 months, how much deal and appointment or revenue could this system generate for you? It's kind of the same question, where the first one we asked about the previous 6 months, and the other question where we focus more on the next 6 months. So these questions gonna extract a number from them, which is in terms of revenue, appointment generated, or deal closed. And that's going to be equivalent to our equation, which is the dream outcome which they want, right? And you can definitely chunk that up a bit further and ask them, hey, if we reach this stage of your business, what would that allow you to do? Maybe spend more time with your family, enjoy more freedom from your business, traveling. So this is what we call chunking up, right? So if you want a full detailed guide on the actual closing script, watch this video right now that I put on the screen. And this video, I want to focus more on the demo section, which is the part where we're going to help our prospects increase their confidence and their certainty that this AI is going to be the system for them, right? So we do that personally with our agency 3 ways. The first one is where we demo our smart website. We can obviously install it for them. This is what we call our smart landing page or website. It can be both on website and landing page. You can see right here, it has a floating AI agent that you can speak to by just clicking on a button. Like, this is a very functional landing page. You know, it has all the testimonial and all the case study. And most importantly, it has a lead capture form, right? So it has a lead capture form where people can enter their name, emails, and phone number. Pretty much it's a normal website or landing page, and it has the function of a website and a landing page. But what we have is an AI agent sitting right here on the website. And this is not this speech bubble that you see on the bottom right and you have to type in and ask them questions. Those are outdated. Those are old school. These are the real one where you can actually talk with an AI agent. So all I have to do is click on it and click for the website to use my microphone.
Hey there, this is Mia with EchoSetter AI. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. What can you do for me? What do you sell and how much does it cost?
Great, I'm here to help you out. Let me search our knowledge base to give you the best overview of what we offer. A hands-on partnership program designed to help you transition to the hybrid SaaS model. We handle the setup, branding, client acquisition, and automation. You get direct access to our team, weekly coaching, and we guarantee you'll land at least 10 software clients or hit 10K MRR within 6 to 8 months.
Like, just tell me the full price package, please.
I hear you. You want the full breakdown up front. Here's the thing. The pricing varies based on your situation and what you need. So it's not a one-size-fits-all number. That said, any pricing details get covered on a call with our team. They'll walk you through the exact investment and payment options based on what makes sense for you. Are you open to booking a quick call so we can go over the full package and pricing with you?
Alright guys, so hopefully you can see the demo by now. The chat bubble on the bottom right of the website of any business owner are outdated. You can actually offer to put this bubble on their website which answer any inquiry of their business, including objection handling. So this chat bubble is actually attached to the same AI that's going to be calling people, texting people, and answering calls from people. It's just that this one happened to be on the website where the other one is hooked on to a phone number, which also lead me to our second method of demo. So I normally just walk people through my high-level account right here. And the next step that I do is I open my dialer, and we have a bunch of different number, and some of the number like this one, we actually have it for the AI demo. So pretty much this number is solely there for a demo call. So the prospect on the sales call can pick up their phone right now and call this number and talk with the AI directly over the phone line. So if you head over to setting and you to location right here, you can see here, this is all our phone number, right? And we have this one physically, let's say Mia Booking US can call AI as a demo. So we just have a default number that allow our sales team and myself to actually use it as a demo. And we have Mia Booking AU can call AI as a demo. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. That's kind of our second method of doing the AI demo to make sure like we increase the confidence and certainty of the prospects. However, I need to be very honest, most of the time we never end up having to do the two demo that I just showed you. The reason is because our third method, we never actually have to demo because our AI is fully integrated to our pipeline and our calendar, meaning that when a prospect book a call on our calendar, they're going to get a phone call confirming from an AI. So by the time the prospect got onto the Zoom call or the strategy session, they already spoke with AI and have most of their concern and objection handled. Therefore, they already know what the AI sounds like. They don't require any more demos.
Shall I book the call?
Yes, book the call with a real person. I don't want to talk with AI.
Got it. Can you confirm your time zone and full name to schedule the call?
My name is and my time zone is Eastern time zone.
Let me check the available times for you.
Okay.
We have openings tomorrow, September 17th at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., or 2 p.m. Eastern. Which works best?
11 a.m.
Booking your call for September 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern. We'll see you tomorrow, September 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Looking forward to it.
Perfect.
Have a wonderful day,
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Nice to meet you too.
This is the true use case of AI that is physically and literally sell itself as a product. Oh, and by the way, guys, this AI is also functional in a text form. So the prospect can actually text the number and get reply back with the AI, but in text form. So this is the three methods that we personally use for our agency, but just keep in mind that every AI software and platform, they have different way of demo, but it's not going to be far from here. However, I do want to emphasize that the goal of the call is to actually onboard and collect cash. Therefore, too much technical demo will actually lose you the deal. You just want to have enough of it, maybe 2 to 5 minutes of it, just to increase that certainty and that confidence from your prospects instead of getting too caught up into the prompt, accent, the tonality, or just the AI agents in general. Business owner, they just want more lead, more appointment, more revenue. Just remember that. If you find this video helpful, we have a completely full guide on how to set up your no-code AI agency from scratch. Check out the link in the description. And if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and share this video and drop in a comment below if you have any other question for me. I do reply to every one of them. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.